Hello and welcome to the modular stainless steel comparison test. This is the most expensive bench at $1,500. This is the middle range bench, or even wobblier, $850. This up here is the FHE way stable, $759. Stick around, check out all the differences. They all need to be peeled. This one took a long time. This one took a long time. Ours was way better. All these benches are made from the same grade, stainless steel, 304, one of the best. This one has no backing. Look at the movement. This one has backing, but listen to it. Sounds like a gong, it's hollow. That one, FHE, is solid. It's got beautiful timber backing. Never going anywhere. All three benches have feet for leveling. These are disc feet on the most expensive, and they're designed to bolt down, but that makes them hard to clean. The mid-range has bullet feet, but look at these. If you keep screwing, they fall out. Also, when they come modular, these legs you have to hammer in. Very difficult to build, hard to cut to length. Our bench also has bullet feet, but look at when you wind them down. It stops. It will not fall out. Also, these legs, they're designed to be able to cut to length. If you need to shorten your bench, this is the easiest one to do. Reason for that, the way it's fixed to the bench. We have grub screws, and we have 1, 2 grub screws on all points. 1, 2, 1, 2. The more expensive one only has 1 grub screw. That makes them much more wobbly. The mid-range, the legs are bolted on. That may seem like a better alternative, but you saw how wobbly it was. The underside of the benches is just as important. This is the one with no backing. Look at these funny little lugs. Not only does that make it really hard to clean, this is the only spot you can attach drawers to, because everybody wants a knife drawer on the bottom of their bench. The mid-range one has a nice solid base. That's a good solid base. But the tracks where you attach the drawers are made of stainless steel. When you attach the drawers to this, to drill into that, it's really super hard. The best bench, our bench, the FHE bench, has got galvanized steel on the bottom. Totally solid, totally sealed, and drilling into this when you attach your drawers is a piece of cake. When it comes to the bottom shelf, which is important for storing things, it sounds like a gong as well. It's very flimsy. Our one, solid. You can store whatever you want on there. All chefs use their benches as whiteboards. So in summary, the most expensive, no thank you. Middle of the range, no thank you. FHE, my favourite. Number one. And we come in at Yes, thank you.